Teka lang. Ayos ko mukha ko. Yan. Hello po. Good morning. Nutrition month na namin ngayon, mamaya. Magpa-practice ako. Pinapractice ko yung kanta. Kasi kailangan daw namin kantahin. At, ano pa ba? Kinakabahan tuloy ako eh. Kasi kakanta ako mamaya dito. Yan. Kaya yan, tinan niya. Papakita ko. Kasi sulat ko rin yung costume ko. Excited ako eh. Yan. Pero all black lang naman. Tingnan niya. Ito. Yung damit ko. Yung yung t-shirt. Pakita niya? Yan. 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 Okay na? At yung leggings ko. Ayan. Ayan. Yung leggings ko. At yung shoes ko. Yan. Ayan. Ngayon, kakatayin ko na yung jingle namin mamaya. Sana talaga manalo kami. Yun. Kasi 14 na kami. Gusto ko manalo. At para kay Miss Norma. I love you, Miss Norma. Nakakantahin ko na siya. Okay. Yung unang kanta, tune siya ng Nothing on You, yung beautiful girl, all over the world. Yan, kakantay ko na. Already, 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, saan? Ay. Wait, yan na. If I told you I was fit, then I'd be lying. If there's something I'm not eating, Mom, I'm trying. I know I'm not healthy. Oh, but it's not so bad. No, you should know there's healthy food all over the world that you should be eating, or you're like your mom always saying, you'll be tall and become stronger. You will become more thicker. Veggies are high, yeah, in vitamin A, and you shouldn't worry about its taste, 'cause they're nutritious for you, baby. Nutritious for you. Rap, yeah. Like Batman and Batista, did you know how their masses grow? Exercising daily, practice wrestling and train with Brother Roach. That's why they always steal the show. Because they are undefeatable. They don't forget eating vegetables. And someday you will also grow. Healthy food all over the world. You should be eating or your life will be wasted. These are healthy for you, baby. Healthy for you. Yan. Okay ba? Ano pa lang yan? Una pa lang yan. For gulay pa lang yan. So, sunod naman, for the prutas, na ang tono niya ay ang Born This Way. Siguro naman alam niyo na yun. Yung, baby, I was born this way. Yan. Kakatay ko na siya. Okay. Bilang kayo. My mama told me when I was young, you should eat your fruits first. I get the plate and put the fruits on it with a twist of dragon fruit. There's nothing wrong with eating what you want, she said, 'cause I made you healthy, babe. So eat the fruits, girl, and you'll go strong. Listen to me when I say, I'm always talking my way, 'cause mama's no mistake. I'm on the right of diet, I was raised this way. Don't hurt yourself and regret, just love your mom, yourself. I'm on the right track, fruit as I was raised this way. Oh, this ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. I'm on the right frutas. Oh, this ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. I'm on the right track, because I was raised this way. Yun, okay na. Miss! Sabi talaga, manalo kami. May banda pa kasi kami. Pati parang hindi siya talaga siya jingle. Sa totoo lang, parang hindi siya jingle. Parang siyang mini band na may nagsasayaw pa. Tapos, sayaw ko ba? Yan. Anyway, magpa-practice pa ako kasi, kaya stop ko na siya. Kasi ang tagal na rin ang video eh. Kaya yan. Yan lang. Bye-bye! Ayoko magbabay. Babay. Paano kayo magbabay? Ciao! Ano kayo maganda? Alas? Or, okay. Ciao na lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ciao! Ciao! Ciao!